Think what you're doing. Everything you do will be documented and will be held against you later.
We don't need the candle.
Yeah, that was funny.
Funny? What did you do with your candle?
I think it fell down someplace.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
One more time. Try it. You can get there.
He likes the candle.
Yeah.
He likes the candle. Well,
There.
that's-
Oh, throw things. I think you ought to pick a cake up and give it a toss.
I'm sorry. I distracted you with the candle.
Oh, man.
You're really, there goes the cake.
No.
Oh, your mom worked so hard to make
Yeah.
this cake.
It doesn't matter. We prefer to eat a little.
Well, he doesn't,
Wow.
he doesn't know he's
Protest.
supposed to
Discovered
eat
if
that.
it's good or not.
Protest.
Give him just a little of the white whipped cream. That maybe he likes that better.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Maybe he
Mmm.
Silas.
Yum.
Silas likes his.
Yum.
Silas is like, I'm not really sure what's happening anymore.
Yeah, really.
You need to show him
I
how
got
to do it.
distracted.
Do we need to cut it for him to...
Yeah, I need to show him how to dig in there.
To do.
Just gonna lower your face into the cake and show him.